What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you where you would jump a Chevy Traverse at. It's probably the same from about the 2009 up to about the 2017. If you need to give your truck a jump and you pop the hood right here, what you'll see is you won't notice there's no battery up underneath the hood. So I'm going to show you how you would jump it, as well as how to locate your battery on these Chevy Traverses. It's probably the same also for some of your Enclaves also. But to jump this, what you would want to do is right here is your positive. So you just want to kind of pull that back like that. You want to take your red terminal and attach it right to here onto that one. Then what you would want to do for your negative, because you'll see there's nothing right here for negative, this right here is where you want to put your negative terminal at. So you put your black terminal right on there like that, pretty much, and that's how you would give this Chevy Traverse a jump if you had to. Like I said, if you notice, you won't see any batteries anywhere up underneath the hood on this Chevy Traverse. This happens to be a 2010, I believe, but it's the same probably from about the 2009 all the way up to the 2017. So now that you know how to jump your vehicle, and if you don't know how to jump a vehicle, I do have a video up showing you how to jump your vehicle also. Now I'm going to show you how to locate your battery inside of a Chevy Traverse. Alright folks, so to locate your battery inside of these Chevy Traverses, what you want to do now is come behind your front passenger seat. Right back here, you may have a carpet that's on top of here like this. If so, you'll just kind of turn right here, remove your carpet. And once you remove that carpet, what you'll see is like almost like a piece like this, like a cutout pretty much in your floor. Now this is where your battery's at. So what you need to do is first you would want to go ahead and just lift up on this piece right here. It kind of pops down like that. Just kind of pick up on it and it'll come out like that. And once you've done that, what you'll have now is this a piece right here. I believe it takes like a T20, a torque bit, or sometimes you could just turn it with your fingers like I'm doing right here. Yeah, just trying to turn it with your fingers. If not, I believe it's a T20 torque bit. But yeah, sometimes you just spin it like this and you'll be able to get it to come all the way out. Just like that pretty much. And once you have that out, put that to the side. Now what you want to do pretty much is just lift up on this right here like that, and it'll come up. And there's your battery. Let me get some better light. Yeah, and once you do that like that, you'll be able to see your battery down there like this. And if you want to basically disconnect your battery, you have a couple different things you got to take off. Of course, take off your terminals, you know, your positive terminal. You take off your negative terminal, then you'll have a screw way down there that's held on like a boot that's holding your battery down. And you'll have to disconnect this gray piece right here, unplug that, as well as maybe a couple other things pretty much. But once again, folks, this is how you would jump a Chevy Traverse vehicle from about a 2009 to about a 2017, as well as where you would locate your battery at, just in case you was to need to change your battery out. Alright folks, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.